people. There you go. There's Hulk taking a dump. So anyways, we adjusted one camera. We're gonna adjust more now. But good morning, Hulk Life people. Live. Live in my house. As always.
I worked really hard to get here.
Yeah, to the right.
Going anywhere without that bill. In 3 days. I can't say
the other right.
critics are calling inspiring.
Yeah, right there. It's good. Anyways, I have to take my kid to the doctor. Just regular routine checkup stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Good day today. I don't know what day it is. Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Saturday. Doesn't matter. It's a day. Yeah, see? They're coming in my driveway, as always. Lisa's always buying stuff. Now she's yelling at me that we're gonna be late. Well, you have stuff in the mail. The post guy has arrived. Hello, sir. I see him every day. Every day. Something comes in the mail. Hopefully, like, something good, not something bad. But, you know, I mean, you never know what the hell comes in the mail. You get bills, you get exciting letters from people. You get non-exciting letters from people. You get all types of so, we don't know. This is pretty much what Lisa looks like every morning. Standing by the post truck. Yeah. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. It's constantly buying. It's alright, it's life. You can do it, do it. Why not?
I just want to stay inside and read books.
Alright, we can read books. Yeah, press the button. Press it again. Oh, it doesn't work. Come on. We
I
tried.
have to use the old-fashioned way.
Yeah. You gotta be a little quiet. What do you
I can go under the couch.
I can see that.
I don't give it every day.
Yep.
I'm
just
gonna
gonna
get
get
his vitals.
Yeah, wake me up.
I gotta be awake. Wow. Alrighty, perfect.
How much is it?
Yeah.
17.6 ounces.
Kid.
So you can just put his diaper back on.
But yeah, Mom, seriously, don't carry me around
Come
friggin'
in.
naked.
Do you know yet if it was his weight? Because I know there was some concern in the beginning.
Let's see.
He's 5.
How old is Daddy?
46.
Close enough.
45.
Getting closer.
Man, I am still in my 20s. Can I keep that, please? First tier is like
How much?
you're you know, it doesn't really count like to 10 or to what 13. Then you're 13, you're in your teens. Then you're in your 20s. It's only the second stage. All right, I might be pushing the third stage in a couple months, but still, even only being on the third stage, it's only the third stage.
Whoa.
You showing him what you got? You're gonna drop it on.
Yeah, dump it out. Oh.
Bag's not a good toy.
Let's trade. He goes this.
trade. Where's your book?
Next. What color feathers?
Well, bird feathers are kind of dirty, bro.
No, they're not. I pick them up every day.
Oh no, I sure hope not. I hope you're washing your hands. Or Mom's watching. That's gross. Hop in.
I always wash my hands.
So I don't know if you guys have noticed this pattern. They like to poop together. Or maybe it's just your little bro just wants to poop when you poop so he can be cool like you. Yeah, I want to poop like him. It's your big bro. Look at how big you got. Look at how big you got. Dad, I got real big. Look at me. He's out here in the 100-acre wood right now. Just living a dream. If you want to get a collar like that, it's Big Dog Chains. Use our promo code DDK, save yourself 10%. They're also available on our website, darkdynastycanines.com. Oh man. So Hulk Life people, what's up? I'm out here with Hulk, Rumble. I'm in the comments now. So I seen some comments on me and my pants being low. Let me clear that little status up. So I'm wearing long johns these days now. You see these here? I got these on. So typically I don't feel that I have other pants on. So that's what's going on there. My pants are falling down. But on the other side of things, I really don't give a f.
Every time I call you home, you are saying, Father, yeah. Every time I call you home, you are saying, Father. Every time I call you home, you are saying, Father, yeah. Every time I call you home, you are saying, Father, yeah. Every time I call you home, you are saying, Father.
So we got Gem out here, Dynasty, Hercules. There go Kobe, Stella's over here. There, now we got it. There you go, get in the water. So we out here right now. Just letting these guys enjoy the river. Stella's down there, she's chilling. Kobe's up here in the top, he's reckless. He's about to go down the waterfall. Kobe, you don't want to go down the waterfall, fella. It's not good. Leave her be. We got all peace, and then we got this guy here trying to her. Never, she's not even in heat. Leave her alone, let's go. Come on, we hiking. Everybody's all jammed up. Look at him, he's waiting for the girls. Look at this guy. Look at this guy, look at Romeo here. He's like, where are the girls? Gemma and Stella, let's go.
There's honor in this world, Harry.
You pooping, girl? She's like, don't put this in the vlog. We got Missy and Zion. Oh my God, all right, too excited for my face. Too excited for all the looking. So two of my super high drive dogs, they hang out together. Little Zion here. And you all know her. She is the most peaceful, gentle, sweetest mountain mama on the face of the earth, I swear to God. But when it is time to go, oh boy, she will rock your world, that one.
Not once, but repeatedly.
Here, Missy.
Lisa's over here about to fight Jordan. Face me in Mortal Kombat. Defend Earth Realm from the evil Lisa, Jordan.
Jack's just punching me in the face.
Oh, he's trying to get Mortal Kombat too. Alright, it's time to train people. Hey pal, your products have arrived. Look at that. Let me check it out. Look at you, fella. Hulk bars, you gotta check this out. You can get these now at hulkbars.com. And your dog. Look at this. This is a video. How can I Photoshop that? I must be good. Hulk bar, hulkbars.com. You gotta check that out. Look at this big guy. He's got his own products. This is a moment. Dude, it's a moment. Yeah, I know. I'm excited. You're huge, bro. Look at this card.